Welcome back to the pink envelope. So I have been doing my fashion hauls and I have just focused on my favorite boxes. Front door fashion, trunk club, I did a Stitch Fix as well. When a lot of you asked if I would get a Wantable. So I ordered a Wantable. I have not reviewed a Wantable since like 2017. But Wantable is a clothing subscription box. I wrote some notes here because I'm not as familiar with them as I am on the others. I did notice they have 5 different frequency options. So you can get back-to-back edits, that's what they call their box. Every 2 months edits, you can do an individual order. Like there's several different options on how you set it up. So it seems to be pretty customizable and flexible on the frequency of getting boxes. I'm an on-demand girl. I don't like anything to auto ship. I travel a lot. I don't know. I like people and boxes that offer on-demand, and they do. You do pay a $20 style fee, which is pretty stereotypical, and that $20 does go towards your purchase, which is pretty stereotypical. And they do offer a buy 5 or more out of your box, and you get 20% off, and shipping fees are $0. So that's like a quick overview on the box. They do ship to U.S. territories, including Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, and Guam. They also ship to APO, AFO, and DPO addresses. That's a big question I often get from you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get a coupon code. I have reached out to them and asked. If I do get a coupon code, I'll pop it up right here for you guys to use it, as well as put the URL down below for you guys to sign up. Okay, I wanna know what's in here, so let me go grab my first outfit and throw it on. Didn't know if you guys could see this, but the box is like super crushed on this corner, and there's a note on top from the company who collects all my mail for me. This says, your box arrived open. I taped it up for you. And she put her name on there. So I'm hoping all the contents are still in here. I know that USPS and UPS and FedEx and all of them are just going through a lot right now. No judgment. I can't imagine having to do everything that they're doing. But I really am hoping that there's not items missing out of the box since this was completely open upon arrival. Last trunk club video I did, and I'll link it up here if you want to check it out, didn't arrive open. It was still closed and intact. It did have a hole in the bottom. But anyways, it had a whole extra dress in there that was not on the invoice. And I have emailed customer service saying, hey, I love this dress. I want to keep it. It's not on the invoice. You need to charge me. And I haven't heard back. Super weird. So as of right now, I got a free dress in my last trunk club box. Okay, so I pried it open and it looks good. Like I can see a little bit of a tear there, but the box as a whole and the tissue paper looks like it's still sealed and nothing slipped out. On either side, it talks about how it all works. How to try it on, how to check out and review your clothes, how to send it back, and how to snap a photo and share it. So that's all right here on the box. It has a little sticker right here that says Style for Samantha. I love that personal touch. That's cute. I don't have my desk to sit things on. I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, hold on. New game plan. I could tell there was something super, super slippery in here, and it's these fabulous green pants. They're like super silky. Okay, there's this and this. Let's put this on first. This looks so cute. Okay, this is outfit 1. I don't know what I think, you guys. So here, let me read this note. She wrote on here, hey Samantha, welcome to Wantable. I'm so excited for your first style edit. I'm Caitlin, I'm your personal stylist. This satin set is the perfect polished yet comfortable work from home outfit. Just add the open long line cardigan for a chic outfit with a fun pop of color. And then she also gave me another outfit to wear with the joggers. I'll show you that one in a minute. She clearly read everything I wrote and put it into play. I showed her my favorite influencer, and this is definitely something my favorite influencer would wear. I just can't tell if I look like a mom who forgot to get dressed or ran out of time to get dressed. So I'm running around with a cardigan over my PJs. Or is it a chic look? I have no idea. You guys have to tell me. I have no idea. I love the color. Without a doubt, this green is fabulous. And I totally could see like adding like a black high heel or a black wedge to give some height would elevate the look. But I don't know. Let's see how much this is. This long line cardigan in latte is $49. The satin joggers in deep green are normally $58, but they're on sale for $29. That's a great price. And then the satin scallop cami top is $44. That is not on sale. So maybe I just keep the jogger and try that other outfit I'm about to show you. So I take this cardigan that feels so insanely soft off. This is what I'm left with. I don't think I would ever wear it like this. I feel very exposed for some reason, and I don't feel like it's flattering. Super comfy, you guys. Super comfy. The straps are adjustable. I do like that. Definitely would be great to work from home wearing this. Tell me what you think. Okay, this is look number 2. What do we think? I'm so torn, you guys. I want to love this. These pants are so comfortable, and if I can make these work as a going out pant, I'm about it. But this is outside of my box, which is why I subscribe to subscription boxes. I want them to stretch me. This is exactly on point with everything I put in my request, and on point for a knockoff look of my favorite influencer. And now that I have it, I'm like, do I look cool? I can't tell if the pants are too loose at the bottom. Like, is this supposed to be tight around my leg? Because it most definitely isn't. And are they too long? Is it supposed to be, it's supposed to stop right about there above the ankle bone? Or does it go down to the ankle bone? I don't know. What do you guys think? This sweater, you guys, is delicious. It is so buttery smooth. It will snag easy, but I love it. So what are we thinking? Is this a win? Not a win? Let's see how much the sweater is. The Luca Couture solid sweater pullover, $68. Which is a very fair price. This is a wonderful sweater, I have to admit. And if the pants were a little shorter, like if they stopped about right there, see the difference? I could wear a really cute boot. It would look great with the boot. It's like they're just a little bit too long. These are a size small. I wonder if they come in an extra small. I will ask my stylist about that and see what she says, because I'm feeling date worthy right now and super comfortable. When I was on Wantable site, which was a lot of fun to play on, I've discovered their sizes are an extra small through 3X, which is about sizes 0 through 24. You get to choose your edit type. They have the style, which is what I have here, active, or sleep and body. I think I'm gonna try the sleep and body one next. I'm always looking for good PJs and lounge clothes. They also have a men's active. I think that's the only men's box they have. It's the only one I saw. So you can do a men's active or a women's active. One edit or one box comes with 7 items. And the average price point is about $50 to $100. So those are all noteworthy things that are good. I do have all that listed below in the description if you need to reference it back later. Okay, let's put on the next outfit. Outfit number 3, this cute little square neck peasant top and these deliciously wonderful blue jeans. Why do I love denim so much? I love denim. I cannot buy any more denim. My husband will kill me. I don't even know where I'd put them. But these jeans are amazing. The fit is amazing. The color is amazing. The distressing at the bottom is amazing. This is a cute outfit. I'm also noticing they're sending outfits, and I love that. She didn't write any stylist feedback or notes on this. I just saw the top, I saw the pants, so I put them on together. I have another top I'm about to put on with these same pair of pants. So there's not a lot, or should I say it's not over the top stylist engagement, like front door fashion holds your hand through every single look, mixes and matches every single look. Wantable, from what I can see on my first box, does a good job of giving some tips and tricks, but it's a little more broad. Like, she told me how to pair up the jogger, which is great. I'm so glad she was very specific in those notes. She definitely has nailed my look. She's also nailed all of my style requests, which is amazing. You know, your first box is always the trickiest one because you're getting to know your stylist is getting to know you. That's why I tell everybody, your first, second, and third boxes, don't give up. Like, push through. And I understand if you're like, hey, these cost me $20 every time I order it. I can't spend $60 for experimenting. I really do get that. I encourage you to email the brand. If you get your first box and it's off, but you want to try them again, email them and say, hey, I'm new. I don't think my stylist got me. I'm going to put in better notes, but I can't afford to pay another $20. What can you do for me? Most of them will work with you because they really do want you to stick around and fall in love with the clothes and your stylist. So don't be afraid to reach out to them. That's my big tip. Okay, let me go swap over to the other top she gave me. Another super, super soft shirt, like crazy soft. It's just a basic gray tee, I love this because I love to wear these under cardigans or under sweaters. Like if I don't know the temperature and I put a big sweater on, I put this underneath, so if I got hot, I could pull the big sweater off and wear this. I also like to just wear a basic tee like this and then put tons of chunky bracelets up my arm. Definitely my style. I forgot to say that peasant top we just looked at was $58. This V-neck tee is normally $58. It's on sale for $29. I think $29 is definitely a more reasonable price point for this type of a top. Everything that I received is exactly on budget. So the total for all 7 items is $351. If I keep 5 items, I get 20% off. So I need to 5 or more items. So always be running those numbers. If you're at like 4 items you love, and you could add on the 5th and take 20% off, make sure that that isn't going to be the tipping item that actually helps you save more money. So always run those calculations. I definitely can say my first Wantable experience has been amazing. Like I highly recommend it. I have loved the curation. I've loved the price point. Even just the experience on the website is good. Like I want to go order a sleep and body box now. And I can't say that for all of them. I'm actually about to post a review on Trendsen by Evereve, or it's Evereve by Trendsen. I don't know. I keep mixing that up. That y'all also recommended. And for some reason, the online experience wasn't as fun as Wantable. I don't know why, and I kept trying to pinpoint like why I had a little bit of a distaste through the whole process. I haven't seen the box. The box could be amazing. I don't know yet. But I wanted to say that with Wantable, the whole experience has been just fun or joyful. And so that makes a big difference. What I will do from here is everything that I don't want, I will put in this bag and go drop it off at USPS or UPS for it to be shipped off. I can order a pickup to my front door as well. They do not have an app, so you do have to log in and check out on the website, which isn't a big deal. It is nice though when you have an app and like as you try on the clothes, you can like check everything out. I am gonna see if I can exchange those pants for an extra small to see if that gives more of the fit I'm looking for. And then y'all need to help me decide on the rest of the stuff. What is a keep and what is not a keep? I like to be picky and I like things to be perfect because I just plan on ordering another box. And so I have the ability to be picky. So you guys let me know what you think is the creme de la creme from this box. Okay guys, thank you so much for recommending Wantable. This has been so much fun. I'll have the Trendsen box popping up and I'll cross-link them so you can bounce back and forth. Of course, go check out my Stitch Fix unboxings, my Front Door Fashion unboxings, my Trunk Club unboxings, and start having your clothes curated for you, shipped to your door, so you literally play dress up in the comfort of your home. I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.